Good morning from Wyoming. It is a bright and beautiful morning out here today. We stayed at this person's property. I guess you can stay at people's properties for free online. So we stayed at this painter's property, and look how cute. He has a little seating area outside for us, and it is just so pretty out here. Look at this nice little creek here. I'm just enjoying my cup of coffee before we head back out. We are planning on visiting a few monuments today, I believe, so that should be super exciting. So yeah, I'll just enjoy my cup of coffee and then we will hit the road. So this is the property we stayed at. They provided a cute little picnic table and some water so we could fill up our tanks here. It's outside of an art gallery. We're gonna go in and check it out. Oh. So did you start painting when you were small, or?
No. I went got a BA and painted.
We are on our way to our first monument, but I just want to show you guys the views that I get from my bed right here. I just sit up here while my dad is driving and just look at these views. We are now getting closer and closer to our first stop. All the way over there. Look how big. Wow. We stopped on the side of the road because look at these cool animals. Look at them all relaxing with a great view. The buffalo are those two right on this side. Look how cool. So we finally made it to the parking lot of Devil's Tower. I did a quick wardrobe change here, and then I have my new hiking boots that I'm going to test out today. I haven't done the hike. My parents have. I don't think it'll be too bad, but we will see how it goes. But yeah, we're just going to get started. My dad is ready with his Modelo. Look at him.
Pa que aguante el camino.
Some pre-hiking energy drink, I guess. But yeah, we are going to get started, and yeah. Guys, I spotted the tower. Look at that. So cool. We're still only at the parking lot, so we'll see how close we can get to it. Wow.
Pero por este lado está bien difícil para...
You can, I don't know if you can see, but there's some people rock climbing. I guess this is a really popular place to rock climb. Me and my dad are wondering. Oh, look, there it is. Right there, that little guy. I don't think I could ever do that though. So these are the hikes that you can do. Well, I guess mainly just this one, but my parents are making it seem like it was going to be a little harder, but it's only 2.8 miles and 450 feet of elevation gain, so not too bad. It looks like the walkway is paved, which is good, and it's also wheelchair accessible as well. Little rest areas or little benches
These
everywhere.
ones are used like this.
Oh, that's how you use it?
Yeah.
And you get the view of the tower up there.
So look, you can go 2.8 miles or you can go 1.6 mile loop.
They were gonna do the loop right now just to get a better view
We'll get the
of
little
it.
one first.
So we'll go see. So we are walking closer and closer to it, which is really cool. You can see the rock climbers, well, probably not from here, but a little closer now. But yeah, the trail's so green. We're heading to the next viewpoint here. Wow. We are now at the very bottom of it. Can't even see the top anymore. I think this whole trail is just a loop around the whole tower, but it's really pretty just because of all the trees, and you can even hear the crickets. So the trail is really easy. I think one thing, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is high elevation, so I'm feeling very lightheaded from it. And it's just like a straight walkway, so it can't be that it's hard for me. But yeah, something to consider if you're coming to visit. I don't know what to do for high elevation stuff. Is there anything you can do for high elevation or not? Like taking pain med? I don't know. But maybe drink water. Stay hydrated. But yeah. So we are now on another trail which takes you farther away from the tower. But look at that. That is my background right now. I think I just found the best view of it. Look at that. Wow. The sun came out at the perfect time. If you come visit Devil's Tower, I definitely recommend this trail because look how much prettier it is. Wow. And then, oh, there it is. Oh, hello.
It's just a little part of it. It's not as tall as it used to be.
It still looks so cool. Whoa. Look at all, that's so cool.
We gotta get all the way to the top.
Wow. Okay.
So this is what I almost have. Look at the river.
We're going to see what view we can see up here. Whoa.
Y el río.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Todo esto es el Red Valley. Ahorita que todavía hay sol.
Wow. You can see the teepees down there too. We definitely found the best view because look at this. The green grass, the red rocks, and then Devil's Tower as well. So cool. Oh my goodness. So since this hike is a loop, you can choose to either go clockwise or counterclockwise. I honestly don't think that there's a difference because you still have to go down and up either way. So I guess it's just preference on what you want. But either way, you still get views like that. Devil's Tower is starting to get really big now, so we're definitely getting close to the end. But these views are so incredible. It's so pretty over here. I don't know if you can see the eagles. No. But wow, look. Wow.
Oh my gosh, there's three.
That is so cool. Wow. So we are getting close to the end of our hike, but look how beautiful the tower is. This is the Red Bath Trail, and I highly recommend it because you get so many views, especially 360 views of the tower itself. But yes, this is the beginning of our road trip, so follow along and stay tuned for where we go to next.